Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold, USD, and silver. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and there is no doubt that gold is unstoppable. And as we all know, that gold has been really bullish for the last few days. Again, there is no pause. Okay. So following the trend of the market is the only solution. Obviously, at one point market will reverse. Obviously, market will come down for proper correction, but nobody knows when the market will reverse. You cannot take a sell and pray to God that make the market reverse. No, you cannot. Praying is not a trading strategy. So as of now, following the trend of the market is the only solution. When the trend will reverse, then we need to sit on the other side. But as of now, market is bullish and there is no doubt about it. So following the trend of the market is the only solution. For example, during the US session, if you see that there is a sudden big candle and market is showing signs of reversal or correction, then obviously you need to exit from your buy, and if you want, you can sit on the sell. But as of now, there is no sign or indication yet. Okay, so we are looking for buy positions only, and those who are already holding buy, keep in mind, you are doing a fantastic job, but please use proper stop loss. Okay, and try to use trailing stop loss so that when the trend of the market will reverse, you do not regret. Okay, so let's try to unfold the levels. If you're wondering what is the reason why gold is so bullish, okay, you can see gold reaches new all-time high. Gold price rose to a fresh record high of 3840 on Tuesday amid mounting concerns over a looming US government shutdown and rising expectations of more Federal Reserve rate cuts. So as per the article, okay, gold is bullish because of the tension about the US government shutdown and market is expecting rate cuts. Obviously, okay, these facts are hard to digest. Okay, that okay, because of this, okay, gold is so bullish, but okay, this is the reason that we can read on the articles. Okay, so where are the trading opportunities then? Okay, we are back on the 50-minute chart. So you can see I have drawn few lines here. The best level to buy at retracement is around 3834. Around 3834 we have the best level, not level level to buy, and the reason is simple. The previous resistance will act as the new support. This black line will act as the new support. So this is the best level for us. Okay, but the problem is that right now market is trading around 64.65 while recording the video, and 34 is far away. So for immediate level, okay, we can also consider 3840, the line on the middle. Okay, 3840, the line on the middle is also a support because same logic, previous resistance will become the new support. If we compare that, 34 is a better level because 34 was a stronger resistance, so it will work as a stronger support in comparison to 40. But in a market condition like this, okay, obviously we can consider 40 as well. So if market drops, we can look for support on 40 as well. But you can see that we have another line, okay, that the dotted red line here, which is 50, 3850, this dotted red line here. Okay, so we are considering 3850 also because it is a minor resistance that will act as a new support, plus it's a round number psychological level. So if we combine all the factors, then 3850 is also a support for us. So if market drops from here, then we can consider these three levels to buy at retracement: 3850, 3840, 3834. Keep in mind, if things change drastically during the US session, then obviously, okay, you need to exit. But as of now, market is bullish. That's why we are considering buy positions only. Okay, so these are the levels that we can enter if market comes down for retracement. If market doesn't come for retracement, then buy at breakout. Yes, buy at breakout is the next solution. But the problem is that we do not have any proper consolidation yet. Right now we can see that market is trying to consolidate a little. Okay, if the consolidation continues, because to buy at breakout we need a consolidation of at least 2 to 3 hours, otherwise it will be very risky for us to buy at breakout. If the market consolidates around the current area, then okay, you can draw a line like this. Okay, right now the level is coming around 3868. Okay, but after 2-3 hours, if the consolidation changes a little, then you can draw a line like this and you can buy at breakout. But keep in mind, consolidations are important, because without consolidation the breakout may not be powerful. You may be trapped also. Okay, so keep in mind that you need to wait a little. Do not lose patience, because after 30-40 pips, if market comes down, then you will be in trouble. Okay, so let's wait and watch. So trend of the market is bullish, so buy at retracement or buy at dip is still the best trading strategy. 34 is the best level, but far away, so we are considering 40 and 50 here as well. And if market doesn't come for retracement to our levels, then we can buy at breakout, but we need some consolidation. Okay, as of now, right now the level seems to be around 3868, 3869, but if the consolidation changes a little, then you can draw a line like this that I have drawn. Okay, then you can buy at breakout. Okay, so that's all about gold. Now let's talk about silver. Okay, XAUUSD. Okay, I do not talk much about silver, because to be honest, I do not trade silver at all. Okay. Okay, I have been trading for the last 12 years. Okay, and to be honest, I have not traded on silver 12 times also. Okay, because I prefer to trade on only one metal. But there have been a lot of requests for silver. Okay, so let's try to see where are the levels. So this is a daily chart of silver in front of us, and we can see that just like gold, silver is also crazy bullish, and right now market is standing at the high here. There have been no proper correction or retracement. But if we look at the 15 minutes chart as a day trader, we can see that right now market is trading in a narrow range here, 47.1796, and at the bottom we have 46.6172. This is the range of silver right now. So when market trades in a range, or when we see a sideways market, the trading strategy is simple: buy at support, sell at resistance. But here the problem is that the range has been there for quite some time, and market has already tested the levels 4 to 5 times already. In a situation, obviously this is not a very good thing to buy or good thing to sell, because we cannot trust them easily. So I will suggest you to wait. If market drops, from the current level, then obviously buying at support is also risky, because already market has tested 4 to 5 times. You need to understand the liquidity here. Liquidity is built up. So the next best level on the chart of silver to buy is around 46, because of previous support around this area. So if market drops around 46, we can look for buy. I do not see any chance of trend reversal yet. Same logic, because we do not have any strong fundamental reason that will bring a trend reversal. So if market takes support around 46 because of previous support around this area, we can look for a buy position. But around the current support level, it is risky to buy, because already market has taken support quite a few times, and we can clearly see that liquidity has built up. Similarly, at the top, my dear friends, at the top we can see the resistance also have been tested quite a few times, so it is dangerous to trust it. So if market breaks the resistance, if market breaks the resistance of, let's say, 47.20, then we can look for buy at breakout, because there's a high chance that market will break the resistance and move higher. If you do not want to go for risky breakout trade, you can also buy at pullback, because the same level 47.20, 47.10, this whole level will become the new support. Later on, when market will come for support around this same level, you can buy at retracement. But if you want to take some risk, you can also buy at breakout. So it's up to you. But at this moment, as we can clearly see, that there is not much volume. Without volume, buying at breakout is risky. Personally, if you ask me, will I go for a buy here? Obviously no, because I need at least one big green candle for confirmation. Because without volume, if market goes for a breakout, there's a high chance that it won't be able to sustain. That is a big issue here. So if market goes up also with small candles like this, it will be better for you to buy at pullback, when the same level will become the new support. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.